Hi everyone, I'm Christophe Choo with Coldwell Banker Global Luxury Real Estate in Beverly Hills, and I've been selling real estate for 32 years. My number one tip for a new agent is immerse yourself in education. Study, learn the craft, learn your market, learn what other agents do. Spend a lot of time learning, right? C-A-N-I, Canai, constant and ever-ending improvement. Learn and grow and get into coaching. If you're looking at right now business, like today, yesterday, your best option is calling expired listings and for sale by owners. So for me, for 2020, I'm focusing on more planning, more strategies, and more thinking. So often in life today, we're so bombarded by the exterior world and all the things going on. I need to take the time to really think about my business, my life, my clients, how I can help them, how I can help them achieve their goals. But planning, thinking, and growing is the most important strategy for me for 2020.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.